I don't know, man. He's turn around. Oh, he's right on the downrigger.
That's Steve's boat right there?
Oh,
Where's he?
right there on the net.
Good.
Ooh, ooh. You want to get that one in, Bart?
Yep.
Sorry, man. I'm recording here. This is the guy. Stuck 28 miles offshore and hating life. Is that a nice one?
I don't know. Not as of yet. You got a driver, me and a driver, we're head on. We drive?
Fuck, yeah. Do you want to?
You just slow the boat down, both rods are up.
We're right in path here, man. Right in path.
You gotta remember you're never gonna do this.
Look at the bird.
It's just a cold.
Tired as hell.
No, I'm saying your driver goes when it comes up, it's gonna do your fucking weird shit.
It's on your hat again.
Look at the bird!
I got him.
Hey! Look at the bird on Vartan's hat! Adam! We got a little bird in our boat! Did ya?
Arr! How you guys doing? A lot of fish, huh?
Ask me if they had a double header with a bird on your head.
Where's the bird right now?
Oh, here he is.
Looking at the back, you're
He's
standing
right
on the
here, he's
back.
right in front of Art.
There he is. Hey, buddy. Chirpy.
What the fuck?
Hey, buddy. Double header. Go grab the rod. Oh, you got it.